Did you know your entire Healthcare Flexible Spending Account, or FSA contribution, is available the first day of the year? That means you can access the tax-free dollars you set aside to pay for healthcare expenses right away. A flexible spending account is an easy way to pay for those expected and unexpected out-of-pocket healthcare costs. Want to file a claim or need to submit a receipt? No need to wait until the claim is paid. Filing claims online is a fast and easy way to process expenses. Submit an explanation of benefits that you owe money on, or have an approved invoice paid out of your FSA. Log on to UMR.com. View your account. Upload your receipts to substantiate or provide proof of your expenses, and your claim will be processed once it's received. Here, you can track your claim status, monitor your account balance, and plan how you use your FSA dollars. We all have busy lives. If you're on the go and need to view your FSA account, download our consumer accounts with the UMR app. It's your healthcare journey. Let UMR make it easy to navigate the healthcare space. Log on to UMR.com to learn more.